Welcome to video number 138, and in this video let us learn the close equivalent of past perfect of English. For those of you new to this channel, please check the Instagram and the earlier 137 videos to learn Tamil. You'll find the info in the description. The past perfect is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. For those of you who do not like the English grammar, let us get straight to the examples. From the year 2000 to 2005, we all had stayed together. We had stayed together in the past, and that is a period which is over. So we had stayed together for 5 years, and that is why we remember each other fondly. In this case, something that happened and got over the past that leaves a trail in our mind. As you understand, we would use had followed by the verb. The construction of past perfect: verb root plus past tense of the verb iru. But let me tell you that it is not easy to make the root of Tamil verb. It is slightly varying, and therefore try to learn as I teach you. Of course, let us not go through a lot of grammar and roots and stuffs. Let us keep it simple. I had gone. Na poi and irundhen. Na poi irundhen. This is how you say slowly and stressed. Na poi irundhen. But in a normal conversation, na poi irundhen. And that is more common unless you want to stress on it. If you're familiar with the past continuous tense, this video is very easy to learn. You can check the video number 96. Na poi and kittu and irundhen. I was going. This was the past continuous, if you remember. Na poi kittu irundhen. And you remove the kittu and you get na poi irundhen. I had gone. Easy, isn't it? I highly recommend you to go through these videos and you'll be surprised how connected they are. You're done with 40% of the tenses watching just these videos. I've given all the link in the description as well. So let us first see had gone, and had done is, you can have a look and you can learn it by yourselves. And since there's a very definitive suffix, you don't really have to say na, ni, ame every time. Just a suffix can convey who you're talking to. So poirundhe, poirundhe, poirundan, poirunda, poirundadu, poirundaru, poirundanga, poirundon, poirundinga, poirundanga, poirundadunga. It may look like a very varied suffix, but just remember this is how it is for all the tenses for the different subjects. So once you memorize this little few things, and you can apply it for all the tenses and all the subjects. I mean, for all the like I, you, he, she, you'll immediately remember how the ending is going to be. So it's a matter of just memorizing a few things here, and the effort pays. And now our favorite bit, learning through examples. Forget the grammar. We are going for the examples directly. I had talked to her about that. Perhaps that's the reason why she took such a decision. அவங்க கிட்ட அதை பற்றி பேசியிருந்தேன். அதனால தான் அவங்க அப்படி முடிவெடுத்தாங்க போல இருக்கு. I had talked to her about that. Perhaps that's the reason why she took such a decision. அவங்க கிட்ட, to her, அதை பற்றி பேசியிருந்தேன். I had talked about that. அதனால தான், that is why, அவங்க, she, அப்படி முடிவெடுத்தாங்க, took such a decision. போல இருக்கு. Perhaps, or it seems. So the lady is sitting there and ruminating after having taken some big decision because he had talked to her about something we do not know what you had told. So அவங்க கிட்ட அதை பற்றி பேசியிருந்தேன், அதனால தான் அவங்க அப்படி முடிவு எடுத்தாங்க போல இருக்கு. அவங்க கிட்ட அதை பற்றி பேசியிருந்தேன், அதனால தான் அவங்க அப்படி முடிவெடுத்தாங்க போல இருக்கு. I had gone to meet our sir. He could not even talk properly. நான் நம்ம சாரை பார்க்க போயிருந்தேன், அவரால் சரியாக பேசக்கூட முடியல. நான் நம்ம சாரை பார்க்க போயிருந்தேன், had gone to meet our sir. அவரால் he சரியாக ப்ராப்பர்லி பேசக்கூட முடியல, could not even talk. நான் நம்ம சாரை பார்க்க போயிருந்தேன், அவரால் சரியாக பேசக்கூட முடியல. He could not talk because he is old and weak due to illness. We had kept everything just here. Do not let everyone in. Got it? இங்கே தான் எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சுருந்தோம், எல்லாரையும் உள்ளே விடாதீங்க, புரியுதா? இங்கே தான், right here, எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சுருந்தோம். We had kept everything. எல்லாரையும் உள்ளே விடாதீங்க. Do not let everyone in. புரியுதா? Got it? So perhaps something has gone missing and he is doubting that someone who visited might have taken it. It had rained and it was lush green plants or plantations everywhere. Wow! மழை பெஞ்சிருந்தது, எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் பச்சை பசேல்னு செடி கொடி. ஆஹா! So you're talking about some visit that happened in the past. Chedi is plant, kodi is climbers. Chedi, kodi is plants as a collective term. மழை பெஞ்சிருந்தது, it had rained. எங்கே பார்த்தாலும், anywhere you look or all over the place, பச்சை பசேலுன்னு, lush green, செடி கொடி, plants. Aha, that is wow. She had rented a house and had stayed alone, in fact. Poor she. There was no one to even help. அது ஒரு வீடு எடுத்து தனியாக தான் தங்கியிருந்தது. பாவம், ஒரு உதவிக்கு கூட ஆள் கிடையாது. But no, actually she was enjoying her independence. Look at her. அது she ஒரு வீடு எடுத்து, renting a house, தனியாக தான், in fact alone, தங்கியிருந்தது, had stayed. Poor she. பாவம், ஒரு உதவிக்கு கூட, even for any help, ஆள் கிடையாது. There was not anyone. அது ஒரு வீடு எடுத்து தனியாக தான் தங்கியிருந்தது. பாவம், ஒரு உதவிக்கு கூட ஆள் கிடையாது. Had you not given the money to her? She's blatantly lying, saying that she has no money. நீ பணம் கொடுத்துருந்தல்ல அவளுக்கு, கையில் காசே இல்லைன்னு அப்படியே பொய் சொல்கிறா. நீ, you, பணம் கொடுத்துருந்தல்ல அவளுக்கு, had given her money, haven't you? கையில், in hand, காசே இல்லைன்னு, that there is no money, அப்படியே பொய் சொல்கிறா. Blatantly she lies. கையில் காசு இல்லை means no money at present, at your disposal. And அப்படியே பொய் சொல்கிறா here means contextually she's blatantly or outrightly lying. நீ பணம் கொடுத்துருந்தல்ல அவளுக்கு, கையில் காசே இல்லைன்னு அப்படியே பொய் சொல்கிறா. Okay, this lesson was way too easy, wasn't it? That is because you're already experts or getting to expert level, but still, please just go to these lessons and refresh your memory. Apde ponga. Here, apde ponga means go straight to there. The usage is different here. Apde ponga. Purida? Got it?